There are 7 steps in the FBA process. In Step 1, the team must identify and define the problem and replacement behaviors. Clearly defining the behaviors ensures that any observer who collects data in the classroom is observing the correct behaviors. Step 2 is to collect data on the behaviors. The purpose of these data is to provide information on when, where, and how frequently the problem or target behavior currently occurs, or how long it lasts. This can be done using checklists and interviews with the student, teachers, and parents, and by direct observation of the student in the classroom. One type of direct observation, an ABC analysis, is used to identify the antecedents that set the stage for the problem behavior to occur, and the consequences that appear to be maintaining it. Baseline data is also collected through direct observation, and may include duration, latency, event, or interval recording, depending on the type of behavior being observed. Once the data have been collected, Step 3 is to identify the function of the behavior. A functional assessment matrix can be helpful in determining whether the function of the behavior serves to either obtain or avoid things, such as attention, tangible items or activities, or sensory conditions. Step 4 is to design a function-based intervention in which the replacement behavior serves the same function as the problem behavior. A good intervention plan will include adjustments to both antecedents and consequences, and in some cases skill instruction, in order to address all conditions associated with the problem behavior. Step 5 includes planning for social validity, implementation fidelity, and generalization and maintenance. Step 6 is to implement the intervention, collecting data on both the problem and replacement behaviors. Step 7 entails evaluating the intervention. In this final step, all of the data, including that collected on the problem and replacement behaviors, social validity, and implementation fidelity, are analyzed to determine whether the intervention is effective in changing the student's behavior. Adjustments are made if the data indicate that the plan has not been effective.